got you a gift. Don't worry, it's for both of us. Uh-oh. Oh, I should try that. Oh no! My Kamehamehas do not work! Electro dog. I wonder. You chill, dude. I'm gonna go heal someone. There you go. Get in. Come on, man. What are you waiting for? I have the cards. I don't have that card. Boop, pop. Yeah, now I have that card. Beep. I can do that too. Look, we're brothers. Yeah. I'm unarmed. Hey. Can I grab you? How about I play you a song? A scary song. Oh, holy moly. Oh, it was a strike. Can't tell me otherwise. I like to use my personal bowling ball. My name's Jeff. Uh-oh. One Jeff's good enough. Bloop. And then a combine suppressor. Is he running? Boy, Jeff really does not give a crap. Stay back. It's not what I hired you for. Eli Vance! What else can I do here? Dumpster, phone. Is that a door? Many doors, Ed boy! Too much for couch potato, Ed boy like yourself. I am a wiener. Shablaka! Yeehaw! Resin looks so cool. Oh. Why can't we get invaded by an alien species? I found Pringles. I am in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Pringles. Although I wish I was. Love me a good Pringle. Oh! Ah! Oh. Rise and shine, Gordon Freeman! Rise and shine! Oh! Tussle with the muscle. Damn! boy! Damn, boy!